September 2020, we showed you how we used our components in building layouts. We're mainly using ready-to-run items to test our layout out. Previously, we had worked on rolling stock development, but now we are concentrating on track and scenery. We've made some progress since then, but we've been asked specifically to talk about one item. Stretchers. Not this type, but the ones used on point switches. Here's a couple of different types. One's insulated, one's not. This other photo shows two ties as well as two stretches. A basic stretcher using wire and an insulating centre. Our early etches and our rod stretchers. We like rod stretchers because they're flexible. Look at this three-way point with an insulated stretcher. The stretchers are a 0.4mm PCB unevenly insulated in the middle to avoid it being too weak. Our normal switch has two stretchers made of 4 components plus the insulation, and how they will be unassembled. We used to say twist each etching, but now we have a new method. The original etchings were hard nickel silver, but we thinned this and turned it into phosphor bronze, which is more malleable. Push the end of the stretcher into the web of the rail and then twist, holding it down in the rail. The older way of doing it is to hold the stretcher end between pliers and twist. We were fitting these stretchers to a scissors crossover in our storage yard. The first photo shows them positioned but not fixed down. Always use an insulator, taking heat near to plastic chairs or sleepers. We use a ply sleeper. Also, pull the switch blades together with the stretcher. Don't try and push them apart. Offstage needs to be functional. It doesn't need to be pretty. We have been working on engraving stone and brickwork and making signs from sheet material. At other times, we will 3D print things, such as the water tank panels. And lastly, we are trying to make some outside cranks that self-quarter. These are in mild steel.